error. Originally I had a 21-inch hole for the fan, and I decided to make it 20 inches so that the fan didn't protrude from the front side as much. And that placed the pivot points exactly 2 inches from the front board, but I forgot to recalculate after changing it to a 20-inch hole instead of a 21-inch hole. So I need to cut this so it will fit like that. Now I got to decide how I'm going to do that. I have never attempted this, but since I had not removed the scrap piece, I was able to put these back exactly where they came off of the machine. I'm going to try and cut right here on a new tool path just for right there. I think that's going to work okay. It's not as clean as I wanted, but it's not going to matter because the fan can't go any further forward, so this ought to work just fine. I think except for my little mistake of forgetting the calculation, this works pretty good. One of the things that I need to do from time to time is to sink a bolt head into a piece of wood so that the bolt doesn't turn. And I've developed a pretty good method for cutting this out pretty quickly, and I wanted to show it to you. It works pretty good. There you go. Done. Want to see that again? Pretty fancy technique. You got to be pretty skilled to do that. You may want to watch this 2 or 3 times. Because the floor slopes in the garage, I had to put adjustable feet on it, and I figured every good shop project needs a piece of walnut somewhere, right? I just sprayed in here and the fumes are already gone. This works out pretty good.